Our registration is working. Let's try to log into our application. So I'm running my project again. So it will display as our login and the registration view again. And as you remember, we have one user. So I'm going to say user1@mail.com, and the password is being password. I'm putting only the two fields, and I'm clicking login. Just logging in, and voila, it jumps to our application. So we are in the app. So our login is working. It's a good idea to do the next step and do our settings area at mail.com. So I'm going to just demonstrate on my ready application here what we are going to build. So in our settings area, we're not going to do everything now. We just want to have this logout so we can log in, log out our user. So we can create multiple users in order to test our chat application functionality. So we are going to go to our main storyboard here. As you can see from my ready application, we have three tabs here. I'm going to select the second one here, and let's put the name settings, and the image is going to be settings. And the first one I'm going to call call, and the image is phone, I think, or call. Yeah, the image is call. We are going to do the call last thing, so it doesn't matter for now. We just put the image there. But for our settings, we have set our image there, so we have everything nice and ready for our settings table view once we are done.